Hello everyone, welcome to Splendificate and Embrace the Light. In this video today we are going to talk about responsibility. But before talking about that, I would like to recommend you to see the previous videos. The first one is we are talking about all the basic concepts of coaching that you should be implementing in your life and in your mind. The second one is about how to start making changes in your life. And the third one is how to create a big compromise with yourself. I mean, how to commit to yourself and to your objectives and goals. So now we're going to start with our video. We are going to talk about responsibility. And what do I mean with responsibility? Being responsible means being aware and conscious of all your decisions, all your emotions, and all your actions. It means that you have to embrace and you have to recognize all your fears, all your vulnerabilities. It means accepting your part of responsibility. It means accepting that you are part of your life. You are the cause and effect of everything that is happening to you. It's true that you cannot change what is outside you, your environment, other people's reactions, or other people's thoughts or other people's way of doing things, but you can decide how to manage that. It means imagine a situation in where a person is coming all the time telling you the bad days they are having, how ill they are all the time, that it seems like everything is happening to them. It seems like it is the world against them. So, what do you do with that? How do you feel when you hear people talking and complaining about everything all day long? What do you do with those feelings? Do you tell everything back to another person? So, when we talk about responsibility in our lives, we talk about what we do with what we have. For example, you cannot change that person complaining all day. You cannot change that person's life, but you can change the way you feel when this person is coming to you to tell you all these negative situations. You can decide just to stop listening. You can decide not to be affected by this. You can change the way you react to some situations. You can change the way you feel to some words, people, situations, news, whatever that is affecting you in a negative way. So I want you to answer the following questions. Who do you listen to? What do you do with what you listen? Do you tell it back to other people? Do you engage in that situation and that conversation all day? How could you change that? In the next video, we are going to talk about unlearn to relearn. It means that you have to get rid of negative beliefs in order to implement and to learn new ways of thinking, new ways of acting, new ways of feeling, to start creating the life that you really want to have. See you soon, and remember that we are all one. Namaste.